Ikea on a cool, brisk morning. Let's go check out their grocery area and their food, their cafeteria.
I know. I'm so trying. So good.
Okay, I've been using my cell phone, and so I already have salmon that I had prior. So I'm gonna try this lemon dill sauce, and I'm gonna cook this. Let's call it potato cake from IKEA. Of course, I'm gonna add some green beans that I've already have, but the potato cake and the lemon and dill sauce from IKEA. Okay, there's the meal. The salmon that I had already and green beans that I had already. I fried the green beans. I put the salmon in the oven. I heated up the dill sauce and these little potato pancakes. Well, that's also there. So let's take a bite of a little bit of everything. Salmon and dill sauce from IKEA. Now it's good. It has a lot of good flavor. Salmon with lemon dill sauce. How can I describe it? It's not too bad. It's not really bad at all. Would I get it again? Sure. But I may have to add something. And I normally don't add salt to anything, but this may need a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. It's not bad. It's pretty decent. I can't really describe it. I'm trying to get all the flavor in. But it's decent flavor. Oh, and I looked at the package. It said it's from Poland. So salmon dill sauce, lemon dill sauce from Poland on my salmon. I'll give it about, well, because salmon's great, about an 8. All right. Let's grab a piece of potato. Oh, that potato. It has a little bit of other sauce on it, but it's okay. Very interesting texture. You can taste like the other vegetables. I think it said it had peas and something else in it, all mashed up. But it's decent. I would probably like to heat it up a little longer. It's at 25 minutes in the oven at 390 Fahrenheit. I may have cooked it on the stove. They get a little crispy around the edges, but it's not bad. It almost tastes like it has broccoli and chopped up broccoli. I can't place it, but I'll look at the package later. Oatmeal cookies with chocolate. Looks really cool. Looks decent. Really good sized cookie. So there are 2 thin oatmeal cookies with a chocolate. I'm not sure what type of chocolate. But here we go. Really nice. Really good cookie. Oatmeal cookie. Very delicious. Chocolate's not too sweet, not overbearing. Really, really crispy and crunchy, which I like. I don't like soft, chewy cookies. They just don't do it for me. But this is a very good cookie. Wow. Almond and caramel on a sweet, chewy base, covered in milk chocolate. Looks pretty good. Wow. That actually tastes really good. And it almost tastes like a Snicker bar. Not as chewy. So far, everything I've gotten from Ikea is good. Milk chocolate bar with oat biscuit and caramel. So this there's 2 of these. So it looks like a Twix bar. It's a little drier than a Twix bar. It may have to do with the oat biscuit. Not bad, but this is a hit or miss. Rosemary chips, potato chips, and paprika potato chips. First up, the rosemary chips. Let's see. Doesn't really smell like rosemary. There's a good smell. I can smell the olive oil, but not so much rosemary. Good chip. I like the thick, crunchy chips. I'm not sure if I can even taste the rosemary. Canola oil. But a chip is a chip, right? Paprika. Not quite sure. I mean, I think the other one tastes better. This almost tastes like a barbecue chip. Like a mild barbecue. But I'd probably buy, if I wanted a chip. I'm not big on eating chips. But I would probably buy the rosemary chip if I wanted a chip. Another day, another meal. This time it's the vegetable meatballs. And again, I'm going to try these potato cake things. So they have peas and cheese, potatoes, broccoli, leeks. So this time I'm going to heat them a little bit in the oven, this time in a pan with the meatballs. And then I'm going to take them and fry them on the stove. And I'll probably add a green vegetable because you need green vegetables. Okay. So I cooked the vegetarian meatballs from Ikea. And I redid the, or not redid, again, I'm eating the potato cakes with the vegetables in it from Ikea, and I just added some peas for a green vegetable. All right, so, and oh, what I did was I cooked these like a normal way it said, then I turned them over and put them in a frying pan for a few minutes, just to have something different. The vegetarian meatballs. Now remember, I had the other, as you saw earlier on this video, I ate the meatballs, beef, at Ikea. And I wanted to try the vegetarian for your entertainment. Okay, so not bad. I wouldn't buy them again, only because the meat tastes so much better. But maybe I'd put them in a sauce, like the lemon dill sauce. But these aren't that bad. Not bad at all. So I cooked the potato cake a little longer than I did the other day. And also, I put it in a frying pan after I cooked it. No real difference, just warmer. So I would say that it's about a positive thing. It's hey, it's not too bad and it's good. Like I'd definitely eat these again and definitely eat peas again, but maybe not buy the meatballs like this. Maybe if I'd buy meatballs from Ikea, I'd buy the beef. More cookies. So this is a chocolate one filled, and this is a raspberry one. Well, I thought it was shortbread, but it's not shortbread. It's two little cookies together with a little heart and chocolate. It's good. Good flavor. And I guess for the price, $1 something. It's not bad. I'd buy it if I'm some cookies. But it's not shortbread. I thought it was going to be shortbread. Not shortbread. And now for the raspberry. Same thing. Oh, the other cookie was like a chocolate looking cookie. This looks like a vanilla cookie. Raspberry. That is interesting. The raspberry is like sticky. The chocolate was creamy. And of course the cookie is different. See the bagging? But I think I like the raspberry better, even though I'm a very big chocolate fan. Good cookie. Well worth $1.39. I believe it was $1.39. Last but not least, chocolate bar. I got milk chocolate with hazelnuts. Last bite. And this bite will conclude my Ikea food store run tasting. It's really good. I mean, it's really good. Wow. Really creamy. Product. This concludes my tasting. I think everything tasted pretty good. Anything stand out? The first cookie, the oatmeal chocolate, was very good, very, very good. This chocolate bar was good. The little Snicker looking bar was good. Good, I mean exceptional. I would buy it again. Um, the little potato cake was okay. The meatballs, I probably wouldn't get those again. I mean, it was okay now. And if someone requested them, I'd say, sure, we can eat them. But other than that, I think it was a successful IKEA tasting. See ya!